Tireless today. We just left our slip. I was going to try to film it, but it's raining like crazy and it was just too gloomy and wet and it just wasn't happening today. So hopefully we'll be able to get some good footage as we head north. So we are moving our boat from Tacoma, where we keep it all year, to Bellingham so that we're much closer to the San Juan Islands and the Canadian Gulf Islands. I'm super excited. I think it's going to be a really fun summer. So it'll take about 12 hours of motoring time to get there, and we're breaking it up into whatever we can get this evening and then all day tomorrow. And I guess we have part of the day Sunday too if we need it, but we're coming back on the bus at 3 o'clock on Sunday. So, and then for the summer, instead of a 12-hour motor steam up to the islands, then we just have to drive 2 hours to the boat and then take the boat another hour and a half, 2 hours, 3 hours, wherever we're headed in that chain of islands. So much closer, much more conducive to exploring and doing less boat projects. We're not quite done with boat projects, but we're getting there. So hopefully we can draw a pretty good line in the sand soon and just have fun this summer. We got a lot done. As soon as it quits raining, I'll show you around again. So I'm going to grab a snack and stow some things so that they don't fall down if we run into bad weather, and then go chill out with Mike in the flybridge and see what we see on this rainy June afternoon. Turn on the windlass. Alright, good? Okay. Oh. That's the triple. Okay. We find ourselves in Port Blakely for the evening, and the boat's rocking pretty good. I don't think I have my sea legs yet, and super cute. Very Tony area, lots of rich houses on waterfront property. Very pretty here. And the weather isn't as bad as it was before. At least it quit raining. those shows about plane crashes when you ground proximity warning. The ground is near, or whatever it says. I don't know what it says. Ah, I don't like it. 1.8.
That's not good.
No.
Yeah, that's getting a little shallow, and there's only a foot between us and the keel.
Yeah, it's a little scary. I think you just nailed it. We're the only ones crazy enough. I can't see the bottom. But yeah, it looks shallow. Has that green, shallow look to it. Oh, I think that's a falcon. It is very, very narrow. Well, we made it to Bellingham.
This is Victoria Coast Guard Radio. Victoria Coast Guard Radio.
The UHF or the VHF. Which one is that? The VHF radio is going to interrupt me. Well, we made it to Bellingham. We found our slip. Mike is up registering and going to get settled in. And tying up was a little challenging because the cleats are made for big fishing boats, not for our pleasure cruiser. But we're here. We're happy to be here. And tomorrow we will go explore Bellingham a little and then take the bus back to Seattle, where we will Uber back to my car and then go home. Logistics have been crazy on this one. Good trip here today. No issues. That ride through the Swinomish Channel was hair raising. It was really shallow, but otherwise everything went great today. Saw one porpoise, saw several seals, and saw a whole bunch of bald eagles. Maybe more than I'd ever seen in one day, in one time. So pretty crazy. They were everywhere. But they were hard to get on film. Mike did not bring his good camera, and the GoPro is not up for that. But that's okay. We will take some more eagle pictures some other time. And that wraps up the repositioning of Tireless from Tacoma to Bellingham. We are excited to be here. We're only about an hour and a half, 2 hours from the San Juan Islands, just to our west, and actually a little bit south even. And then the Canadian Gulf Islands are close. Point Roberts, which is part of the US but is like landlocked and kind of trapped in Canada. Look it up. Neither one of us have ever been there. I will film tomorrow if anything exciting happens, going home on the bus and exploring Bellingham. See if our logistics get crazy or if they just work out. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.